VR also allows students to learn at their own pace. This self-paced learning is crucial for accommodating different learning speeds and ensuring that no student feels left behind or rushed through the material. If a student grasps a concept quickly, they can move ahead at their own speed. This flexibility keeps fast learners engaged and challenged, preventing boredom and encouraging continuous progress. Conversely, if a student needs more time to understand a particular topic, they can revisit the material as many times as necessary without feeling rushed or left behind. This repeated exposure helps reinforce learning and builds confidence in their abilities. This personalized approach ensures that every student can learn effectively and reach their full potential. By leveraging the power of VR, educators can create a more inclusive and supportive learning environment that addresses the diverse needs of all students, paving the way for a brighter and more knowledgeable future. While VR transforms the learning experience, it brings a new dimension to education that was previously unimaginable. The immersive nature of VR allows students to engage with content in a way that is both interactive and deeply engaging. It's important to remember that technology is a tool, and like any tool, its effectiveness depends on how it is used. The role of the teacher is crucial in this context. The teacher remains the guiding force in the classroom. In a VR setting, the teacher's role evolves from a dispenser of information to a facilitator of learning. They guide students through virtual experiences, provide context, answer questions, and foster critical thinking. This shift requires teachers to develop new skills and adapt to new teaching methods. Teachers can use VR to create interactive lessons, incorporating games, simulations, and virtual field trips. Imagine a biology class dissecting a virtual frog, exploring its anatomy in detail without the need for physical dissection. This not only makes learning more accessible, but also more ethical and sustainable. Or a history class taking a virtual tour of ancient Rome, walking the streets and interacting with virtual citizens. These experiences can make historical events come alive, providing students with a deeper understanding and appreciation of the past. Walking the streets and interacting with virtual citizens can make the learning experience more vivid and memorable. This kind of immersive learning can spark curiosity and inspire students to explore subjects further. Furthermore, VR allows teachers to monitor student progress in real time. They can see how each student is interacting with the virtual environment, identify areas where they might be struggling, and provide personalized support. This real-time feedback is invaluable for addressing learning gaps as they occur. This data-driven approach enables teachers to tailor their instruction to meet the specific needs of each student, ensuring that no one falls through the cracks. By analyzing the data collected through VR interactions, teachers can develop targeted interventions and support strategies. Ensuring that no one falls through the cracks is a fundamental goal of education. With VR, teachers have a powerful tool at their disposal to achieve this goal, making learning more inclusive and effective for all students. Section 4 AI, a digital partner in education. Alongside VR, artificial intelligence is another powerful tool transforming education. While VR creates immersive learning environments, AI acts as a digital partner, providing personalized support and enhancing the learning process. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data to understand each student's strengths, weaknesses, and learning patterns. This information allows AI-powered systems to create personalized learning paths, recommend relevant resources, and provide targeted feedback. Imagine a student using an AI-powered learning platform. The platform tracks their progress, identifies areas where they excel or struggle, and adjusts the difficulty level and content accordingly. If the student is struggling with a particular concept, the AI can recommend additional exercises, videos, or interactive simulations to help them grasp the material. This personalized approach ensures that students are always challenged at the appropriate level, preventing boredom and frustration. By tailoring the learning experience to each student's needs, AI has the potential to make education more effective and engaging for all. Section 5. Personalized learning paths with AI. One of the most significant advantages of AI in education is its ability to create personalized learning paths for each student. This means that instead of following a rigid curriculum, students can have a learning experience that is tailored specifically to their needs, strengths, and areas for improvement. Traditional education often follows a one-size-fits-all approach, with all students learning the same material at the same pace. This method can be limiting and doesn't account for the diverse ways in which students absorb information. However, this approach fails to recognize that every student learns differently and has unique strengths and weaknesses. Some students might excel in visual learning, while others might find auditory or kinesthetic methods more effective. AI-powered learning platforms address this issue by creating personalized learning paths based on each student's individual needs. These platforms can adapt in real time, providing instant feedback and adjusting the difficulty level of tasks to match the student's progress. These platforms analyze student data, such as their performance on assessments, their learning pace, and their areas of interest, to create a customized learning journey. This data-driven approach ensures that the learning experience is both efficient and effective. For example, a student with a strong aptitude for math might progress through the curriculum at a faster pace, tackling more advanced problems and concepts as they demonstrate mastery, while a student who enjoys history might receive additional resources and activities related to that subject. This could include interactive timelines, virtual museum tours, and primary source documents to deepen their understanding and engagement. This personalized approach ensures that students are always engaged and challenged, maximizing their learning potential. By keeping students interested and motivated, AI-driven education can help reduce dropout rates and improve overall academic performance. By catering to individual learning styles and preferences, AI can transform education from a standardized system into a tailored experience that meets the unique needs of every student. This not only makes learning more enjoyable, but also more effective, as students are able to learn at their own pace and in their own way. The future of education is personalized, and AI is leading the way.